In sooth, I know not why I am so sad. It wearies me, as you say it wearies you. But how I caught it, found it, came by it, what substance 'tis made of, whereof it is born, I am to learn. In sooth, I know not why I am so sad. It wearies me, as you say it wearies you. But how I caught it, found it, came by it, what substance 'tis made of, whereof it is born, I am to learn. And such a want-wit sadness makes of me that I have much ado to know myself. In sooth, in sooth, I know not why I am so sad. It wearies me, as you say it wearies you. But how I caught it, found it, came by it, what substance 'tis made of, whereof it is born, I am to learn. And such a want-wit sadness makes of me that I have much ado to know myself.